Last week we made the Kentucky Buck, and this week we're going to make... What? We didn't do one last week. When was the last one we did?
A few months.
Months? Why didn't you tell me? Sorry guys, I could have swore that was last week. Must be one of those, what do they call them? Senior moments. I guess I'll lean into my age with an Elderflower Whiskey Sour. But before we mix up anything, we got to make up for lost time. In our absence, we missed Groundhog Day, Valentine's Day, President's Day, St. Patrick's Day, April Fool's Day, Easter, and even Earth Day. Today's victory shot is for all of them, plus Cinco de Mayo, which is this Friday. How many holidays did I miss? 7, 9, 10? Maybe I ought to have another. Another? No. The Elderflower Whiskey Sour uses Saint Germain, a sweet liqueur that never disappoints, especially when you dump some whiskey in it. Half ounce of simple syrup. 1 ounce of lemon juice. Half ounce of elderflower liqueur, but first we need to have ourselves a shot. That's downright good. It is a bit sweet. Two ounces of bourbon, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Redemption? Angel's envy? What am I trying to talk about?
Damn, Dad. Though you didn't make any specific jokes about religion, do you really think this is the right platform? Sometimes you need to think more. Fuck that.
That's the Elderflower Whiskey Sour. Today's word of wisdom is antique. Antique is a nicer way of saying old. We always looked for kinder ways to say things, to soften the blow. You wouldn't call somebody old, you would just say older. Or if somebody has a raggedy ass piece of furniture, you wouldn't say it was a piece of shit, you would call it an antique. We never do this with other words. Some words are just what they are. Like, a jump is just a jump. We never call it upward mobility, a vertical transition, a skyward shift, or a y-axis movement. No, a jump is simply a jump. So stop looking at my gray hairs and calling me antique. It's insulting. But I'm really not old. I'm in my prime, baby. Half ounce of elderflower. Half ounce of elderflower liqueur, but first we need to have ourselves a shot.